Hello students, my name is Dr. Mohammed. Welcome to the second stage. I will leave you with the practical histology. We started our laboratories by the cartilage and bone. We started with the cartilage. When we're talking about the cartilage, as general, we can divide it into the perichondrium and the matrix. These are the perichondrium, okay? This perichondrium, it's perichondrium. It is a collagenous, dense, irregular connective tissue. This collagenous, irregular connective tissue is a play as a support to the nutrition of this cartilage because of the presence of the vascular supply of this cartilage. And when at the type, some types of cartilage like fibrocartilage, there is absence of this perichondrium, the nutrition of this cartilage are taken from the synovial fluid at this part of organ. Okay, perichondrium, sorry. And this part is the matrix of the cartilage. هذا الأورجان هو we take it from the trachea. This part is the whole cartilage. Perichondrium and the matrix. These matrix are containing of cavities that's diffused along these matrix. These cavities are called lacunae. This lacunae, it's considered a house of a specific cells called chondrocyte. Okay? These احنا لو نشوفها بشكل أوضح نشوفها as a circle or a line. These called cavities or lacunae. These lacunae are containing the chondrocyte inside this. Okay. These lacunae may be separated as individual or maybe as a groups. At this time, we call it isogenes. Isogenes. Okay. The matrix that's the lacunae are resting on it, it is called territorial and interterritorial matrix. Between these isogenes, it's called territorial. But the whole of this cartilage, it's called interterritorial. Okay. Previously talking this, it is a high cartilage. So we have three types of cartilages: high cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibro or fibrous cartilage. High cartilage at this slide, it is formed mostly parts of our body. Like what? Like the wall of the large respiratory passage, like nose, larynx, trachea, bronchi. And also we can find it at the ventral wall of the rib that's articulate with the sternum. Also we can see it at the larynx, we previously talking about it, and its whole matrix predominantly composed of collagen type 2 fiber. Okay. Number 2, it's elastic fiber. It's the same of the high cartilage, but in addition, the presence of some of fibers. I changed the slide to the elastic. Okay. Okay. This is the elastic cartilage. Also containing the perichondrium surrounding the whole matrix, okay? And inside it is the whole cartilage containing, as we're talking, isogenes and individual lacunae. In addition to the fibers of elastic. But it's not a fresh slide, but the fresh slide we can see the color is yellow because of a presence of the elastic fibers. When we can find this type of cartilage, we can find it at the epiglottis, we can find it at the osteoclinic tube, at the auditory canal, and at the auricle of the ear, and other parts. Okay? هذا بنشوفه احنا هنا. You can see this slide is perichondrium surrounded at the middle. It's the cartilage or cartilage matrix containing the lacunae. أحاول أوضحها. واضحة بشكل lacunae and chondrocyte. Okay, no problem. The third type of the cartilages type is the fibro. Okay. Later you can see it as images and talking about it. It's fibro cartilage. Okay, this section is taken from intervertebral disc because it is present at it. Also at the pubic symphysis. Okay, these cartilage, this type of cartilage, the main characteristic feature of it is present of the absent of the perichondrium. يعني at this slide, at this slide we can never see the perichondrium. So it's the main characteristic feature. We can differentiate it between the hyaline and elastic from the fibro cartilage. We can see it at the intervertebral disc and at the pubic symphysis, also present of the collagen fiber type.